Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a realistic sketch of an eye, and I'm going to use just one pencil for this and a earbud, that is a q-tip, as stump. If you have a stump, you can use that too for having the 3D effect, making and smudging the areas. So here I'm just doing the outline. You can draw along with me so you can follow the steps, because I'm taking it a bit slow right now, so you can follow with me. As you can see, I'm going over the same thing again and again, because the tear duct that is on the right hand side, it has to be in the right position and in the right way, otherwise it won't look realistic. Now I'm going over the top section. First we'll do the outline for each and everything, and now I'm just drawing a horizontal line on the side. Now we are doing the iris, and this is the most important part of an eye, because if your iris is wrong, then your eye won't look realistic. i'm I have put a circle in the center also, and that I have blackened out completely. And now I'm doing the border, and now as you can see, I'm smudging it with the q-tip. I'll do this over and over again till I get a dark enough outline. As you can see, it has started looking 3D and realistic with the pupil right away. Now I'm just drawing some lines which are coming out from the center towards the iris, outer section of the iris, and just going over the outer section and the center and smudging with the q-tip. Now as you can see, the iris is looking quite realistic. Now in the next step, we'll smudge it a bit more, and I'm just going over it again to darken it, since we are using just one pencil. If we were using different pencils, then I would have taken a darker shade. Now I have just removed a bit of lead from the center, and I'm just going over the entire thing and using the q-tip, which already has a bit of black lead on it, and smudging the areas. You can see I have left a lot of part of the eye white right now. I'm also erasing in between. You need to have some white areas and some dark areas and some medium tones. So there are three tones that you need to really focus on. Now I'm doing the eyelashes. The bottom one are really tricky, because if you don't get these right, then it will start looking a bit cartoonish. Here you can see I'm going over the outline once again to give it a more realistic look. This is the top eyelash that I'm doing, and here again it is very important that you do it in the correct direction. Please notice the direction that I'm doing it in, and this will also darken the top section of your eye, and that is how it will start looking realistic. Since I'm doing it with only one pencil, I have a bit of limitation of darkness. If I had used 6B and 4B together, then this would look more perfect. This itself is looking perfect. As you can see, I wanted you guys to try this with simple pencil that you have at your hand right now, since we are all in the quarantine. So you can see now the eye is looking quite realistic. Also, always be ready to move your paper around and not just your pencil. Now the sketch is done. I am never happy with the sketch. At the end, there are some things here and there, and there is a white section in the center of the iris that you don't have to touch at all, because that is going to show the shine and going to make it look realistic. So this was my tutorial for the eye with a single pencil. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video and it found it helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do tell me in comments what other sketches you want me to do and try out and make tutorials for. I would be more than happy. Thank you for watching.